This is an introductory video on using the basic features of the Adobe Photoshop Express app. So on this Chromebook, I already have the application installed. So I'm going to open up the Adobe Photoshop Express app. I have it saved down here on my toolbar. And then once I select that, I'm going to select an image of a pear that I already have on my Chromebook. When this pear JPEG opens up, it's going to actually open up in the application itself. And with Adobe Photoshop Express installed on a Chromebook, the tools are along the bottom of the window. So I'm going to go through with you what those tools are. So starting in the bottom left corner, this tool is called the Looks tool. And you'll notice that it has a light blue line underneath it. So that means that tool is active. So when we have the Looks tool active, these are the options that are available for the Looks tool. The tool next to it is called the Blend tool, which is a new tool. It's still in beta. That's why this application has beta next to it. So once again, when I have the beta tool, notice the light blue line selected under it. These are the different options that are available under the beta tool. The next tool is the crop tool, which should look familiar to you because we had that in Photoshop. A lot of these tools do similar things. It's just the way the tool is laid out is different than in Photoshop. Then the next tool is called the corrections tool. Once again, these are the different options that are available under the corrections. The next tool is the blemish tool. The red eye tool, the text tool. The next tool is called the sticker tool. That's definitely one that we didn't have in Photoshop. And then the last tool on the right side is the border tool. And once again, these are all the different borders that can be applied. So I'm going to just go up here and I'm going to select the black circle border and apply that to the pear. So now I'll put a nice black border around the pear. At the top on the right hand side are the undo and redo button. Next to that is the lightness. So when I select that, it'll take a few seconds, but it'll apply that effect. And then the last one is a button that will take you to restore and back to the original image. So when I select this, it's going to remove the frame that I put on it. Then to save the image, you're going to click the next button. And then on this page, you're able to actually easily select for a different size of the file. This one's set to a 533 by 800. I could set it to the original size if I wanted to, and then select done. It also has quality options. Right now this one's set on high, so if I wanted to decrease it, the quality size, and which also would decrease this file size, I could select medium or I could select very high. And then once again you're going to say done. And then when you're finished with that, then you can save the image by selecting Save to Gallery. And that now your image is saved to your files on your Chromebook. And then to get back to Photoshop, I can use this tool to go back. So that's just kind of a quick overview of using the Adobe Photoshop Express and what the names of the tools are and what some of the options are.